Hi, we are Denis, Sofia and Amelia, a family traveling the world in our custom-built tiny planet van named Orbita, our ultimate 5-star hotel on wheels. We just crossed into Colorado, coming straight from Moab, Utah. The contrast is wild, from red canyons to gray cliffs, from Martian landscapes to rocky chaos. After the scorching desert, it felt amazing to cool off in the mountains. Up here, the air is crisp, the lakes are glassy, and believe it or not, there is still snow on the ground. We went sledding at the end of May, cycled along an alpine lake, and soaked in the quiet beauty of pine forest and granite peaks. And this is the episode where I almost lost my bike, my drone, and myself on a trail I thought I could handle. Let's go! Today we arrived to Colorado and our first stop is Loma. It's a little town very close to mountain bike trail system, and we're here. Let's discover what kind of trails we're gonna find here. Is it a trail? I guess no. So we travel with two mountain bikes. These are e-bikes, double suspension e-bikes, specialized lever. One is lever Pro and one is lever SL. SL means super light. So we decided to go with two e-bikes, so together with Sofia we can climb to any mountain we want, and we will not be worried about be tired when we're up. And also we can go with Amelia. We have a child seat for her because Amelia loves biking. This is something she's gonna do all day long. She can bike for 8 hours and be happy. And I don't know any other thing she can do for such long time. By the way, while prepping the bikes, I filmed a very cool van upgrades for you. Might be useful if you travel with kids. Amelia loves to play on this sofa during the day, and we want to keep the doors open. So to make it safe for Amelia, we developed a bug net that's gonna be also a protection, so Amelia will not fall down. So this is first ever bug net for Sprinter that is not magnetic opening, so this will not open if your kids or dogs playing inside the van. So what we also done for the sliding door, so here we have a child gate. It is also a dog gate if you have a dog or another pet. So you lock it. So this is also heavy duty mesh that will not allow anyone to jump out of the van. And look at how easy to operate it. So there are just some hooks here, lock here, we unlock it. That's it. If you own a van, take notes. These hacks really make the difference on the road. And now, for all my fellow bike travelers, a few tech tips I swear by. So I'm gonna pump up my tires. So these are tubeless tires. So once in a while I need to pump them up, especially when I go on trail. So 2 bars is what I usually pump it up to. I also have my pump with me, so sometimes I deflate tires or inflate them while I'm on a trail. So today I'm also gonna pump up the rear shock, because when I ride with Amelia I deflate it a little bit to make it nice and soft ride for her. Time to hit the trail. I hope I get lucky out there. My friend Darren advised me to go here, so I just follow any advice of locals and I just trust it. No need to double check it, just go.
Thanks, Darren, I said then, not knowing what waited just round the bend.
So I just crashed my drone again. Oh dear. This is our van.
Hold on, let me clarify what black trail means in mountain biking terms here. Usually it's steep descents, sharp turns, jumps, and clear-cut obstacles. Here, the paths are raw, untamed, and widely unpredictable. Less about engineered challenges and more about navigating rugged terrain that's barely developed. Pure survival on two wheels and an adrenaline rush unlike anything I've experienced before. That's why this experience was completely unique for me.
Is it a trail? I guess no.
Even as a professional mountain biker in the past, I was really starting to feel the pressure from these trails. This was no joke, it got real.
So I was going down same trail. There was no fork or anything, but for some reason I found myself in the creek that is not part of the trail, and I had two ways to go. Either go back up or keep going down, because the trail I can see from here. It is over there, not far from here. So I just walked my bike down these rocks. That was hard. I can see the van from here, so I think it's 5-10 minutes and I'm gonna be back.
That was brutal, but I made it. The drone's alive, the bike's safe, and I'm still breathing. Colorado, you beast. But hey, I'll be back. There is more to ride, more to crash, and definitely more to discover. Thanks for watching. Stay tiny, immerse yourself in nature, explore endlessly. Don't miss the next episode. Let's keep discovering our tiny planet together.